guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erin and I do mostly budgeting videos like the one you're about to see here. Been a minute, I know, and I need to really get back into the swing of things, but I had so many different projects going on at the same time, mixed with work and home life and trying to still work my budget and creating this planner and just so many different things. I'm also in the midst of doing a diamond art, and then my neck started hurting. It was the whole thing, because if you've ever done diamond art, you're literally like hunched over it because it's so tiny and intricate. Hold on, I'm going to show you one that I did. If you look up here, that's diamond art. So you can see it's real sparkly. It's just gemstones. Oh, and here's like a nice little view of my desk. So it's very merry. It's very holiday, and I'm loving it. So I have lots of little trinkets and things like that. So it's very festive. It puts me in the mood. But we need some brighter lighting because we're going to go over the December workbook. So it's been a long time coming. I got these pens at Marshall's. Aren't they adorable? And they're scratcher pens. They're like super fine tip. Like I'm talking at least 0.38. And I love them so much. But anyways, got them at Marshall's. I think I will use this guy today. Actually, I don't even need to write. I'm showing you guys my unfortunately, my very last freebie giveaway budget workbook kit for 2024. And it's bittersweet because I'm used to doing this now, and I'm going to continue to create them because I need to use them myself. But I still haven't decided what the best way to move forward is for those of you who do enjoy using these and want to continue to utilize them. So this is the cover. I'm in love with it. I love the little towny Christmas scene. It reminds me of just, I don't know, old-fashioned Christmas, Hallmarky. It's just, I don't know, I love it. I love like the little row houses and everything. And then this is kind of similar to the bar that I used last time, the same font and everything for November. So if you didn't get November's kit, you should have, because it was really useful and it worked, and I thought it was the cutest one I'd ever done until I did this one. So I try to keep it not so overtly Christmassy, because I know people celebrate other things besides Christmas in December, but I still kept it very wintry. So yeah, this is what the cover looks like. I'm going to show you a few of the other pages that I adjusted or edited for December. So here we have your month on 2 pages, and just got some Christmas tree lights across the top. And then here on the 25th, I have Christmas, Hanukkah, and the next day I have Kwanzaa and Boxing Day. So those are the only things that I pre-designed into this. Everything else is up to you. If you don't want any of these, you can just cover them up with stickers. I mean, it's super simple. Just use it how you want. Make it yours. So monthly budget planner, you have your month on 1 page, and then you have 5 paycheck budget breakdown pages, just as usual. So flip through those. And then you have your sinking fund page for December. I'm just going to move this ever so slightly. And it's very similar to the cover. It's got like that towny feel to it. And I thought this was really cute. I thought it turned out really well. And then here I do have a little bit of Christmas with this little sign here. But that's the only other thing I did to update this page. It's pretty similar to the other months. And then you have your spending tracker, just with some decorative header items. And I thought that turned out cute. And then you have your no spend challenge. If you participate in this, if you don't have to utilize it. But it is part of the kit. And then more towny scenes down here. And then you have your $3,000 savings challenge savings planner, and this isn't something that I designed to be done in 1 month. I just designed it just to have a challenge in here, and also it's been the same thing since I started implementing it. So if you are doing this challenge and you're working it, you can pick up right where you left off last month. And then we have our bill payments page. Some of you guys like to use that, some of you don't. And then we have our debt tracker and our dinner plan. So that's how we're winding it down until we have our recap. This does have some decorative trees, but they're pretty plain. And then here you have another towny scene. So this is for your monthly recap, or you can use this for January forecast. So that's it. Like I said, it is bittersweet because I look forward to this release date every month, and I still haven't decided how I want to do it. I don't know. Like part of me wants to continue, and part of me wants to try and do something to grow my channel a bit, and maybe attract more viewers, or try to create some streams of revenue. Some of you did suggest just putting these back up on Etsy, and my only fear about that was just that it was oversaturated, and I just didn't think that I would have much of a following over there, but it is something that I could consider. It might be the best way to do it because I have so many ideas for 2025, not just with the monthly budget kits, but with so much. And I really want to keep it up because I really enjoy designing these. So this was printed out full size, just as is, no changes to the scale. And this is a big happy planner cover, and you can use it in here, or you can print it out and do a 3-hole punch, or you don't have to hole punch it at all. You can put it in page protectors and put it into a 3-ring binder. You can also scale this down to 83% when you're doing your printing, and that will adjust it for the Happy Planner Classic size. You just have to trim around it. What else can you do? You can save it to your desktop, and you can make a fillable PDF out of it if you have the software to do so, something like Adobe Acrobat. And that's pretty much it. Also, this is the same as a Tool notebook cover, so you can use that as well. That's actually what I have on here. I have Happy Planner discs, but my cover is by Tool. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You guys know the drill. Just go down in the description. You'll find a link to this. You can request it. I will give you access, and then you can download it. So it's really as simple as that, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'm going to be back. I'm going to catch up with my videos and show you guys how Christmas Club and Black Friday weekend panned out. I'm going to be cashing that out. And yeah, we're in the swing of it. The holidays are upon us. So I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope I see you in my next video.